How to install a theme on WordPress. After installing WordPress, the first thing every beginner needs to learn is how to install a WordPress theme. There are thousands of WordPress themes available, both free and paid. As a beginner, you may want to try out a few of them on your site until you find the right one. In this beginner's guide, we'll share a detailed step-by-step instructions on how to install a WordPress theme. We'll cover 3 different ways to install a WordPress theme, so you can choose the method that works best for you. Open the browser. So let's go into the administration panel for WordPress. Go to your domain /wp-admin. Log in with the admin and password. Installing a WordPress theme is easy, but keep in mind that if you activate a new theme, then it will change how your website looks and functions. If you're looking to install a free WordPress theme from the WordPress.org themes directory, then the easiest way is by using the built-in theme search functionality. Next, go to the Appearance Themes page. Click on the Add New button. On the next screen, you will have the ability to select from Featured WordPress Themes, Popular WordPress Themes, Latest WordPress Themes, search for a specific theme, or search for themes with specific features. On the search from the top right, write your search terms. Based on your search, you will see a list of themes that met your criteria. When you see the theme that you want to install, simply bring your mouse on top of the image. This will reveal the Install button, Preview button, and Details button. Go ahead and click on the Install button. WordPress will now install your theme and show you a success message, along with Activate or Live Preview buttons. Click on the Activate button and you've successfully installed and activated your WordPress theme. Depending on the theme, it may add additional settings options that you may need to configure. For instance, your theme may ask you to install the recommended plugins, download demo data, or review settings. You can follow the on-screen instructions or click on the Customize button to start setting up your theme. This method that we covered only allows you to install free themes that are available in the WordPress.org themes directory. If you want to install a premium WordPress theme from companies like StudioPress, Elegant Themes, Themify, etc., or if you want to install a custom theme, well, in this case, you would need to install the theme using the upload method from your WordPress admin. Start by downloading the zip file of the theme that you purchased from a marketplace or a commercial theme shop. Next, go to the Appearance Themes page in the WordPress admin area and click on the Add New button at the top. This will take you to the Add New Theme page showing featured free themes. Since you already have the theme you want to install, go ahead and click on the Upload Theme button at the top. You will be prompted to choose the zip file that you downloaded earlier. Select the file and click Install Now. Once your theme is installed, you will see a success message, along with the link to activate and preview the theme. Click on the Activate link and you've successfully installed and activated your WordPress theme. Depending on the theme, it may add additional settings options that you may need to configure, either through the Theme Customizer or through a separate options panel. You have now installed a theme on your WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.